children, let us welcome back to our session. In previous video, we learned how to make sentences from the words. For suppose when you take a word crate, how to write crate is made up of wood. So here in English, we have 8 parts of speech to find it out in a sentence. Suppose crate is a noun. Is made is a verb. Above is a preposition. Wood is an object, but it is a noun. So these and all comes in parts of speech. We have parts of speech. Parts of speech. In the first one is noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition and interjection. These are 8 parts of speech. Whenever you write a sentence, you could find out easily what is the noun or pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, conjunction, preposition and interjection in a sentence. And also we discussed about a noun. Noun is a naming word for, it may be for places, things, animals and persons. The pronoun is stand instead of a noun or in the place of noun. Suppose if you take any boy name, Hemant. When you take Hemant, we don't want to repeat again and again Hemant, Hemant. What could we use? He. The pronoun he. So in the place of a noun, we could use these pronouns. Verb. All action words from our daily life, we do all the actions from rising from the bed to going to bed. We do the actions. All those actions comes under verb. So today we will discuss about a noun. What we discuss about? A noun. In the noun we have common noun and a proper noun. We discuss about a noun. In noun we discuss proper noun and common noun. Proper noun. How to find a proper noun? The proper noun always starts with a capital letter. Suppose you take your name. How will you write? What letter you supposed to write in first? Yes. M. A. N. J. U. Manju. So what is the first letter you write? Capital letter. Or you write your village. Suppose it is Nara Koduru. How to write? N capital letter. Nara Koduru. So the pronoun is a word. When we write this pronoun, we write first capital letter of a particular person or place or thing. Common noun. For all common things. Suppose this is a drink bottle. But what is the drink bottle? Yes, it is a Sprite. So common noun is a drink. Common noun is a drink bottle. Drink. But what is the proper noun? Yes, proper noun is a sprite. Proper noun is a sprite. And you say this. What is this? Cooker. Cooker. What cooker it is? Yes, Geetanjali cooker. So, cooker is common noun. Cooker is common noun. Geetanjali is a proper noun. Geetanjali is a proper noun. And also, if you want more examples, in your house you may have washing machine, mixer grinder, fridge, these and iron box, whatever it is there, all the things you go and check the name, what is there, it is the proper noun. Washing machine we say, but what company it is? It may be a Whirlpool or LG, like that many names will be there. So washing machine is common noun. Washing machine is common noun. Whirlpool is a proper noun. So like this way we could find proper noun and common noun. Always the proper noun starts with a capital letter. But common noun is the name of the thing, place or persons. And this year our English grammar book is Kanishk Pathfinder. In Kanishk Pathfinder we have contexts. Part 1, Grand Practice Material. In grand practice material we have A. Reading, writing, grammar. First one, parts of speech. Now the noun, number, the adjective, articles, the pronoun, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, punctuation marks and capital letters. Integrated grammar practice. In part 2 we have material for evaluation. Unit evaluation tests, revisional assignments. So each one have 5 tests. Each one has 5 tests. This is our contents in the grammar book. Now today we will go for exercise. Children, take page number 94. Here we are discussing about parts of speech. What I have written there in the board. In parts of speech, we are discussing about noun. Noun is a naming word. Common noun and proper noun. Here we have some of the exercises. What exercises? See, underline the nouns in the following sentences and write the words in the space provided. For example, they have given our school has 30 rooms. School is noun. Rooms also noun. So we separate and write it there. The dog is very faithful. Here we have to find out a noun and you have to write. And second, in C2, fill in the blanks choosing correct word from the bracket. A book is made up of dash, wood, paper or cloth. What is the noun you have to choose from the brackets? Here, put a tick mark on the right word which matches the sentence as shown in the example. I write notes in my diary or diary. Here you have to, they give same pronunciation, but the pronunciation is different. What do you, diary or dairy? You have to give the tick mark. And also here is the list of nouns. Read it carefully and write answers to the questions given below. Here they have given you in the box all those things. Here also write which are the names of animals. Animals names you suppose write here. birds names, places names, vegetables names, drinks names, metals names, fruits names. Is it? Yes or no? So this is your homework. After writing, please send to my WhatsApp number. Thank you. If you have doubt, you could call me and ask. Thank you.